here with another video, and I'm here to show you how I achieve this makeup look. It's a very neutral, everyday, bronzy makeup look, and it's really easy to do it in the morning, just in case if you have a little time to do makeup. I hope you guys find this helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help me out, and leave some comments and suggestions. So let's get started with this video. Before I put my foundation, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I'm going to use the sample size today. Put it on my T-zone. Excited to use this foundation. It's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea water foundation. I'm on the shade Tan Sand, and it says here to shake well. And I'm just gonna put a few drops on behind my bag. So that's one drop. Probably add just one more. I don't really want a thick coverage today. I'm gonna use my finger to put it in the middle of my face, and I'm gonna use a stiff foundation brush. This is from Sonia Kashak. It's on the limited edition Knockout Beauty, and I'm just gonna blend it in a circular motion. It blends really good, actually. This is like a little lighter on my skin, but I like it. I think it's just a good match. It feels really light, and I like it. I like the feeling of it. I'm gonna dip more behind my bag. Just gonna do down here on my jawline. I like how it feels. Probably some days I'll probably add more to cover up some of my imperfection, but on my just regular day, I'll just 2 drops are good. Do a little contour on my face since this foundation is a little light. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to use this one over here, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just going to tap it in. Blending it. I'm also gonna use the Nars Laguna bronzer just to kind of clean it up a little bit with my e.l.f. complexion blush. Also for my blush, I'm gonna use e.l.f. Pressed Mineral Blush in the shade Cabana. This one right here. And I'm going to use a angle brush. Just dip it in there, tap it. And for my eyes, I just want a nude eye, just a simple nude eye. I'm gonna use the A Bombshell cosmetic eye base in the shade Submissive. There we go. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it in my lid. It's just for a base. And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Kneaded Nude palette. And for my all over lid color, I'm just gonna use this shade right here. Just pack it in my lid. And I'm gonna use a fluffy blending brush, and on the same palette I'm gonna go use this fourth color over here to just clean the line. Since it's gonna be nude, I don't want to add any more darker shade. So I just want it to just be simple. A black eyeliner, and mine is the NYC waterproof eyeliner. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna use it to tight line. My waterline, I'm gonna be using a Rimmel London Scandaleyes waterproof in the shade Kohl Kajal. Okay. Now I'm gonna go curl my lashes and use the Maybelline the Falsies Plump Up Drama Mascara. This one right here. Touch up my eyebrows with the e.l.f. eyebrow kit and the dark brown. This one right here, I'm going to mix them two together. I'm going to use a pencil brush, and I'm going to put some highlight in my inner corner. I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to use the second color with a shimmer in it. Put it in the inner corner. It's the e.l.f. smudge brush, and in this palette I'm going to be using the third to the end. This one right here. It's just a dark coffee brown, and I'm gonna put it underneath. I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush. Just use the same shade that I put in my inner corner. On to the lips, I'm going to be using the Urbandecay Rush in the original line. I just want to keep it nude, and so that's what we're going to be doing. Use a pencil brush to clean out the lines. this with a setting powder using the L'Oreal Infallible Spray and Set. Like always, this stuff is so good. I'm just setting it. And as soon as it's dry, I'm gonna put on a Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder in translucent using my big powder brush to kind of take some of that grease off of my face. I like the foundation. It's very light. I like the color also. It's not really too light for my skin, and also it's not gonna be too dark. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Leave me some comments and suggestions what else you guys want to see from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.